Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and complete album in Monopoly Go. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, the simple thing that you have to do is you have to access first of all the Monopoly Go app in your mobile phone. Simply open it up. Now you can find this kind of interface, right? So first thing I would like to show is here the sticker section. We do not have even one. Our count for that is a 0. For us to raise that count, we're simply gonna try and play as much as we can, and simply tap on this builds whenever we need to build. So for us, this all the buildings we need to build, so we're gonna build all of them at once and complete our task. And you can see now the counts are getting increasing. We're gonna play it till we get the right this sticker. Now we have the 4 of them. Net worth upgrade is upgraded for us, and we're gonna collect this as well. Now you can see for us to make, and now again we have to simply start building, and then you can see that particular net worth is also increasing. So the simple thing is once you reach the 15 of there over there here in this net worth, you will be able to tap on this album and you will access it. Here in this album you will find other walls that you have to complete. Again, when you tap on it, it will show you the stages and the amounts that you have to complete that walls. By simply playing games and tapping on these bills and building all of the buildings for you to complete a task, you will be able to complete your album just likewise over here. So that is basically the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.